Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is the music ladder. Our topic is the music ladder. Music ladder is the tone movement, either up or down. Today, we are singing the tonic suffer in music ladder going up and down. So, we are going to sing it first in going up. So, children, listen carefully. In going up, do, re, re, mi, fa, re, mi, fa, sol. That is for going up. Then, coming down, so, fa, mi, fa, mi, re, fa, mi, re, do. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.